Globird or Amber? That's a question that a lot of new battery owners like Dad are thinking of. And I'm here to give you some advice on that. I have Amber Electric as my VPP electricity provider. It's a bit more risky than other options, but there's more chance of reward on big price spike days. But for Dad and for Mum, we chose Globird as a VPP because why did we choose it, Dad?
Well, it's set and forget.
Yes, totally set and forget. So we've got schedules set up so it works exactly the same every single day of the week. You don't even have to think about it. You don't have to check about live pricing. So what happens is,
please contribute. It really helps my independent, honest journalism for you.
There's solar on the roof and that fills the battery up, doesn't it, Dad?
That's right.
When does it start filling the battery up?
Well, like these days, it's about 6 o'clock. It starts, trickling in.
Okay, even in late autumn. And then it's filling the battery up, which is a 25 kilowatt hour Anker SOLIX X1 system. What happens at 11 o'clock in the morning though?
Well, Globird provides me with free electricity at 11.
Yep, and when does that go until?
It goes on to 2 o'clock. So basically, we do majority of our chores which require power between 11 and 2. And one of the biggest users of power would be my EV. So every opportunity I have, I charge my car at that time.
Yep, using the Anker V1 EV Charger down there just next to the battery. Basically, there's a schedule. So how much does the battery of your Kia EV3 AIR long range go up from 11:05 to 1:55 p.m.? Because I add a little buffer of the schedule on either side so it doesn't accidentally use heaps of grid electricity.
Well, it adds up 20+% to the battery charge.
Yep.
And that's really good because usually I try to sort of charge it from 60 to 80. I leave it at 80 at the max.
Okay, and 20% charge on a Kia EV3 AIR long range is about 100 kilometers of highway driving or about 120, 130 kilometers of city suburban driving. But it's not just about the car. As you said, you can run your clothes dryer, you can run the dishwasher. What other things do you use?
Well, we could use vacuuming, the clothes washer, all those tasks which require power, especially this high kilowatt hour.
Yep.
Like the microwave or the kettle, or it's the time to do that.
Okay.
And come winter,
yes,
at that time, perhaps we preheat the rooms to say 22 degrees Celsius or even 25, so that by the time it's evening and gets cold, the rooms are nice and toasty.
Okay. And of course, you still have solar generating electricity outside of 11 to 2, and you have the battery, which will be mostly full by late afternoon already to use for heating the house and cooking and stuff like that the rest of the evening, which is pretty good. So to make it really easy to charge their EV on most days, if they're at home and the battery level of the EV is below 80%, then we have a setting in the Anker app already for the Anker V1 charger. As soon as the car is connected to it, from 11:02 to 1:58 every day, it just automatically charges the car that's plugged in. And with the Globird app, that's set from 11:05 to 1:55 p.m. to automatically force charge the battery. So whatever percentage the battery is at 11:05, it gets force charged from the grid to as much as it can be until 1:55 p.m. And obviously all the other stuff Dad was mentioning, oven and cooking and microwave, etc., can be done at the same time. So outside of 11 and 2, what does Globird charge for grid electricity? It's just basically normal peak and off-peak tariff, like a standard electricity provider. So you've had the Anker SOLIX X1 battery for 101 days now. And how long have you had Globird for?
Well, that's 38 days as of today.
Okay. And so besides the free 3 hours of electricity, Globird ZeroHero plan has a few other interesting features. One is a bonus if you don't use any grid electricity between 6 and 8 p.m. How many days out of the 38 days have you got that so far?
All 38 days.
That's pretty good. And I'll show you what it looks like in the app. It's very easy to keep track of. The third thing that Globird does as a bonus is you get an export bonus, extra solar feed-in tariff for exporting in the evening. It's between 6 and 8 o'clock.
That's right.
And I think you get, is it 10 cents per, or 10 or 15 cents depending on your ZeroHero plan per kilowatt hour. So what Dad's got is in the Globird app, he's got a schedule setting to force sell from the battery. At the moment, it's force selling 10 kilowatt hours of battery from the 25 stored from 6 to 8 p.m. But most likely, though, what are you going to do in winter, Dad? Because this is the last month of autumn coming up. What are you going to do in winter with your evening exports?
Well, I'll have to adjust it. At the moment, it's down at set at 55% level, to which it can drop, and I have the option of changing that to 100%. But I will see how I go, because in the evenings that's when the heaters turn on, and in spite of the fact that we'll warm up the house, there will be days when we'll require that extra heating as well. So
yeah. So you might not end up selling electricity in the evening as much or at all. But that you have the option, and it's really easy to control in the Globird. Now, also check out the links, because there'll be an Amber referral code from me, which if you use and sign up to Amber, you'll get $120 credit. And also there's a Globird referral from Dad. You can just message me and ask for a Globird referral link. And that means you and Dad get, I think it's $50 credit to your bill if you sign up to Globird. So
extra benefits.
Yeah, as I've shown during our discussion here. So what do you think? Globird ZeroHero? I think it's a good, simple, scheduled option for people who don't want a complicated life. And for people who want a bit more complexity and are happy to get a bit more potential profit or risk as well, then Amber Electric is a good choice as well.
Well, Globird for me for sure, because you can see that unlike Nirav, I don't want to be doing that kind of thing day in, day out, whereas
You don't want to be looking at your electricity app every day. Okay.
Oh, I don't want to do
Fair enough.
Thanks for liking, subscribing, and sharing my videos. It really helps me make more videos like this for you. And have a look at the suggested videos up above. I'm pretty sure you'll like those as well. Thanks, and see you later.